Hi guys! Today we're going to go over some essential nutrition tips that foster healthier hair growth and nourishment that goes beyond the surface to enhance the well-being of our entire body. In this video, we'll explore 7 foods for healthy hair. Number 1. Seaweed. Raw seaweed and algae like spirulina supply the body with minerals and proteins to rebuild and grow thick, healthy hair. Seaweed also assists in promoting blood cell production, which is an important protocol for healthy hair. Number 2. Leafy greens. Raw organic greens alkalize the blood and provide us with minerals and vitamins to nourish the hair shaft. Look for dark leafy greens like bok choy and dandelion greens. These bitter-tasting greens do wonders to detoxify the blood and promote healthy hair. Number 3. Organic herbal tea. Herbal teas help neutralize the body. Nettle tea in particular is a star player when it comes to hair health. It is brimming with healthy hair nutrition such as vitamins A, C, K, calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and chlorophyll. Try some flower teas like rose or chamomile to add extra beauty to the hair. Number 4. Essential fatty acids. If hair is to look its best, it must be fed from the inside out with undamaged fats. These come in the form of nature's perfect gifts to us. Coconuts, avocados, purslane, raw grass-fed, cultured butter, and one of our favorites, raw pumpkin seed oil. Any of the above will nourish your hair from the inside out. To fortify the outside of your hair, apply Euro oil or any of Morrocco Method's conditioners to saturate the scalp with these essential fatty acids. Number 5. Aloe vera. Aloe is a superfood in a class of its own. It's rich in polysaccharides and strengthen the hair and skin. If grown properly and kept raw and pure, aloe is loaded with essential nutrients like amino acids, magnesium, zinc, and calcium, which are crucial for thriving hair. Aloe is also a main ingredient in all of Morrocco Method shampoos to ensure that your hair grows long and healthy. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be enjoyable and rewarding. One of our favorite ways to savor the benefits is by blending aloe into smoothies, adding thickness and extra nutrition. Number 6. Berries. Whether you prefer blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries, or better yet, a colorful mix, these tasty little snack-sized fruits are loaded with antioxidants that protect your body and hair by protecting cells from the damage of free radicals. It's also key for the production of collagen. Strawberries in particular are a nutritional dynamo with about 150% of your daily vitamin C needs in 1 cup of sliced berries. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are loaded with protein and essential nutrients that contribute to hair health such as choline, iron, and vitamins A, D, and B12. Lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 substances found in eggs, also play a key role in maintaining cellular health, especially in the eyes, skin, and hair. Most of the vitamin D is found in the yolk, so don't be afraid of eating the yellow part. Eggs are also rich in a B vitamin called biotin that helps hair grow. If you have any creative methods for including these foods in your diet, we'd love to hear from you. Drop us a comment below and let's inspire each other on this journey to healthy hair and overall well-being. At Morrocco Method, we believe in the holistic connection between hair, health, and overall well-being. Our wild-crafted hair care products are carefully created to nurture your hair and value your body by not using harsh chemical additives. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.